The unique thing about IQ is it's in the ground and in the air show. You know, we run a lot of trade shows and there's many shows in the industry, but for utility and construction, IQ is the get your hands on experience, you know, the demo expo. I think for this event this time, the key difference is it's a lot more on the education front. So instead of coming here just to see the iron, you got an opportunity now to come here, see iron, and also have more education. In addition, the H2O Expo is also here, bringing about 2,500 other delegates. So that co-location is another opportunity for the exhibitors to have more customers come.
Wow. And what are you anticipating in terms of attendance this week from contractors?
You know, attendance, at first we were very concerned. It's been a tough year in the industry, and just in the last 2 or 3 weeks, attendance has surged, and we're very close to our record turnout here. So we're looking maybe 13,000, 14,000 already signed up to be here, so we're hoping 17,000, 18,000 when it gets to the end.
That's great. That is incredible. So, a little bit, I want to talk to you a little bit also about the construction industry as a whole. And as you work with your manufacturer members, kind of what is the mood of the manufacturers out there? What are they saying right now is kind of the state of the construction industry?
Yeah, it's a tough question out of the industry. As the economy is in a recession, this industry really is in a depression right now. You know, you talk about the automotive industry, they're down about 16% in jobs in manufacturing and in dealerships. In the construction side, it's 37% down. You know, we just did a study with Global Insight. They told us that we're down 550,000 jobs in construction.
Wow. And how much impact does the construction industry, how much of an impact does it have on the general overall economy?
Well, we have figured out with that same study from Global Insight about $243 billion industry. And it's an industry right now that's down by about 50%. So it's just devastated right now.
Okay. Okay. How is there as you talk to the members, is there any mood out there as to when things could maybe pick up a little bit? Are there any bright spots out there right now that are giving some people a little bit of hope that this thing could be maybe starting to turn the corner, or at least hit bottom?
Yeah, I think we're certainly going off the bottom right now. I think the biggest thing right now that could happen really is if Congress and the administration would look at the highway bill and also the water bill going through and improve funding for that. I think that you create some market certainty there, that the contractor then says, you know what, I know I have jobs the next 4 to 6 years, I can now hire crews, I can now buy equipment. Those are the key two things, I think.
Okay. And what are some of the big initiatives for AEM as a whole in the construction industry? What are some of the association's priorities as you look forward in the next 12-month period?
I think public policy is probably the biggest priority right now. The market is down 50%. We have a campaign called Start Us Up USA right now that's going on. It's trying to bring awareness to the public and also awareness to Congress and the administration to say it's time to properly fund this industry.